So today I'm here with the Lebaron. I'm going to clean the top and protect it on it. So I bought the Chemical Guys stuff that had the best reviews, and they have pretty comprehensive videos online how to use it and everything. So that's what I'm gonna go with.
She lived for the sun. He wanted only the best. Together, they found everything they desired. The Chrysler Convertible sale. She discovered the thrill of sun-drenched driving. He found the best, the touch of glove leather. They reveled in America's best-selling beauty. They reveled in the rebate. They reveled in the glorious savings. The Chrysler Convertible sale. Don't miss it at your Chrysler Plymouth dealers now.
So I'm gonna go around. I think effectively this will be almost a review of this product. Chemical Guys 2-part top protectant and top convertible cleaner. That's what we're gonna do. I watched the video on how to apply it. So we're gonna go around the top real quick and look and see what all the spots specifically I want to hit are. So right here I can see like mildew down the side. If you look down under here, I'll have to take the top down a little bit, but it looks particularly grody down there because where all the water sits and pools. More up on this side. So I'm gonna get started. Just a regular cloth towel. So look here, you can see the difference. This is what it looked like before, just after one application of the cleaner there. So this stuff should work wonders. So it looks like a lot of it's just stained and it won't come out. So we're gonna see. Just get it looking the best it can. So I cleaned the right side. I'm about to do the left side. This is the original top to this car. And I don't got a lot of life left in it. You know, the whatever you want to call it, the hems, they're all dried out. From as far as I can tell, no one's ever cleaned the top of this thing. But my guess would be, if someone did clean this, they probably cleaned it when this car was still under warranty. It was a long time ago. I'm gonna bring a top down, and I'm gonna do down in here where the water seems to be pooling and making it a little nasty. The instructions don't say to do this, but if you look, I'm gonna have to go handheld. If you look down in here, I mean, this is grotty to the maximum, and you can see where the top's already starting to come apart. It does look, I think it looks a lot better. So anyway, I'm gonna clean this part and put the top back up, and I'll put the protectant on. Also, why we did this part last. Honestly, this cleaner's pretty amazing. I mean, Stuff that you'd think would be stubborn and hard to get off, more or less, after what I would consider a light to moderate amount of scrubbing, seems to come right off like no problem. Come on, homie. While we're letting this thing bake up, and we'll talk about this stuff. It says easy to use, long lasting, UV prevention, stain blockers. It'll make the water bead on this top. This top is 26 years old, so when you pour water on here, it does run off, but it just soaks in there. It doesn't bead up. Ew. Still got chemicals on there. But the issue with the water is, when you put water on here, it's just gonna sit in here and soak through. And eventually, you'll get water inside your car, and that's not what you want. So you put Rain-X on your windshield, right? So the water beads up and rolls off your windshield. This is like Rain-X for the top of your car. In the case of something like this, where the roof of your car isn't metal, it's made out of cloth, it's real important if you'd like to keep your car nice, because if that roof goes, then the whole inside of your car is going to get wet every time it rains. And living up here where we live, in good old Ohio, you want to make these tops last as long as possible, and it has to last through all 4 seasons, which includes snow. Here we go. It's windy, so wait. Come on. Chill out. It needs to be calm and still. You should do this inside if you can, but obviously I can't. My car's full of crap. Come on. Wind. That bad boy sit for 20 minutes after I wipe off all the excess. So we're back. It's not sticky, it's dry. So we're gonna do the second round of protectant, and then this is gonna sit for 24 hours. That's the cleaner. This is the protectant. So we're gonna go one more time. Just a light, easy coat. The top is gonna sit overnight. It does look better. I mean, it doesn't look a lot better, but I think it does look better. This is kind of a new endeavor, but tomorrow, after it sits for 24 hours, I will go ahead and show you how the water beading does. Needs another wash, needs another polish, and then I can put wax on it. We're gonna get some rims, or some hubcaps for the rims, so that it looks nice. But alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.